Hi everybody, we're just 2 weeks out now from the next On Your Side Investments event, and while it's going to be the official launch for my new book, How to Jump into Investment Property Without Being Eaten by Sharks, it's also going to be a great event focused on how to make your portfolio retirement ready. So I'll just explain briefly what that's about, because it's going to be good for those who are looking to jump into property without being eaten by sharks and bitten, of course, but also for those who have got property, or even just those starting, trying to understand how the process works and what the phase is going to be, whether it's 10 years, 20 years, 40 years away from your retirement. So we're focusing on the 3 key aspects of your property portfolio. So the first one over here is acquiring property. So whether it's 6 properties as I have down here, whether it's 3, whether it's 10, everybody's situation is going to be different, which is why we never sell property at events. So we're going to look at your situation and whether you've got, as I said, 1 or 10 or whatever it is, and how to actually make sure we've got the acquisition phase under control. We'll explain a bit about that. The next is we've got Peter coming in from Mortgage Choice. He's going to talk to us about the loan to value ratio. And in this next phase, we're doing a few things to actually chop down and change the balance of your loan to value ratio. So we're going to reduce your interest and your costs, etc., and start increasing your income during that phase. Then the third phase, it really depends on what retirement looks like for you. For some people, they're focusing on family. It might be travel, excuse my drawings. It might be giving back and the altruistic values that you might have in your heart and your life, etc. And it might just be your activity, or in many people's cases, it's a combination of all 4. So come along next week, or in 2 weeks' time, have a look at the event, bring some friends. It is a fee to come along because we're having food and drinks and so forth afterwards. So click on the link below here. Make sure you come along. This is really one not to miss out on. I look forward to seeing you there. Cheers.